What's up, guys? We got a Razor today. We're doing an oil change on it. Come underneath here. Here's your oil drain plug. Got it sitting right there. It's an Allen, and we used a, let's see what size this guy is, 6mm Allen. So I'm doing other work on it right now. Looks like there's a spot for the oil drain there. Now we got the filter. Right here's our oil filter. I've already got it off and loose. You gotta kind of like pull it out from this hose. Polaris 254 0086. See, the oil filter screws in right there. You got just enough room to get in there. I used these little jaws, little vice grip oil filter jaws, to get on it in that tight spot. You can go through right here, clamp onto them, get them loose. All right, so we're gonna clean off the surface of the where the oil filter mates there. On the new filter, we'll put a little dab of oil on the seal. We got all kinds of parts laying around. So we're gonna pop the new filter on there. Then it takes 2 quarts of oil. This is what was recommended. Right there, guys. 5W50. There's a little reflection. But there you go, Polaris oil. And it takes 2 quarts. And we're gonna fill it up through the back seat. I'll show you. Let's get this lowered down. Should only take a second. So we got a funnel all hooked up just for this guy. A funnel with a little hose on it to pour the oil in through the dipstick. Now this guy cut a hole out in the plastic. Let's see if I can bend this seat forward. I gotta find the lever. There it is. Hold on, the camera's gonna go crazy. There we go. You pull a little lever in between the seat. There's a little lever. And the seat goes forward. And there's our dipstick right there. Dipstick behind the passenger seat. Oh crap. And there we go. So that's how. So we're gonna put that filter on, put that drain plug back in, tighten it down, and fill it up with 2 quarts of that Polaris oil. That'll do it.